Hello, good morning. Today I am going to present a new topic on new subject. Subject is preventive and social medicine or community medicine. This is the subject which is taught in 3rd BHMS, 4th BHMS, MBBS, BAMS in nursing and other branches of medical science. Community medicine help us to maintain, manage disease, to stop or prevent the spread, its diagnosis, management with the help of society, NGOs and government organization. In this slide, you see 3 components of health: preventive, social and medicine. This lecture divided into following segments: introduction, basic definitions, aims and objectives, preventive medicine, public medicine, international organization. Introduction to community medicine. In 1948, the World Health Organization produces a constitution. Constitution includes the rules, regulation, implementation, different branch of this community medicine. All over the world, World Health Policy Maker, financiaries, that is finance management, health provider and consumers are aware of the need to reform the healthcare system. About 1940 to 50, the policy maker of the world, finance management or manager, healthcare provider, medical fields and consumers, means the patient, are aware of the need to reform the healthcare system. They want to change in our healthcare system in large scale. Informed opinion and active cooperation on the part of the public are the most important in the improvement of the health of the people. Clinical medicine has its focus on care of the diseased patient. Community medicine is concerned largely with improving the health status of the community. So, here clinical medicine and community medicine. Clinical medicine has its focus on care of the diseased patient. Community medicine is concerned largely with improving the health status of the community. There is a growing realization that preventive health technology has a greater role for a healthy life than clinically based technology. In order to meet these requirements, the future physicians should be what Bolen calls a 5-star doctor. 5-star doctor, those doctor who bears capacity or character of leader, care provider, communicator, decision maker, and manager. This is the 5 quality should found in a doctor. Community medicine, a technical decision group of WHO, defined community medicine as a system of delivery of comprehensive health care of the people by a health team in order to improve the health of community. A system of delivery of comprehensive health care of the people by a health team in order to improve the health of community. In other way, the art and science of application of technical knowledge and skills to the delivery of health care to a given community designed in collaboration with related professional as well as human and social science on the one hand and the community on the other hand. This is the definition of community medicine. Aims of community medicine. Aims of community medicine is to reduce unnecessary morbidity and premature mortality in the whole population. Aim of the community medicine is to reduce unnecessary morbidity and premature mortality in the whole population. Explore greatest potential for health improvement. Objective: improve health status of a community. Objective of community medicine is improve health status of a community. Information required: population data, health problem, disease pattern, availability of health services. So, information required: population data in a particular area or given area, total number of population that may be based on sex ratio, on age group, health problem, certain disease prevailed in certain areas, not in whole world. Disease pattern, availability of health services in rural area or in urban area. Action plan, community health program. Preventive medicine. Preventive medicine, an academic discipline and a medical specialty with its own certifying board, as defined as the science and art of preventing disease, prolong life and promoting physical and mental health, and efficacy. Preventive medicine, the science and art of preventive disease, prolonging life and promoting physical and mental health, and efficacy. Public health defined as the science and art of preventing disease, prolong life and promoting physical and mental health, and efficacy through organized community effort for the sensation of the environment, the organization of medical services for the early diagnosis, prompt treatment and prevention of disease, the development of the social machinery while ensure to very individual in the community a standard of living adequate for the maintenance of health. The agency is concerned with organized community health activities includes the agency concerned with organized community health activities include municipal corporation, cantonment board, railway and industrial organization, social security council and institution, voluntary agency like tuberculosis and public health association, medical association, government hospital and health department, and other association unites and perform the activity in organized way for community health. Social medicine. Social medicine is the study of man in his total environment, physical, biological and socio-economic. It is concerned not only with curative medicine but also with health promotion and prevention. Component of social medicine. Social anatomy, structure of society, population, age and sex ratio, social economics, housing system, etc. Social physiology, social function and activity of society. Social pathology, defect in society, theft, murder, robbery, sexual assault, etc. Social therapy, different type of social and medical prevention method for improvement. Social and economic standard of society in different ways. So, component of social medicine is social anatomy, social physiology, social pathology and social therapy. These four unites and deliver to society in the form of social medicine. Various aspects of human physiology and social physiology. Human physiology and social physiology, respiration, air ventilation, housing, digestion, nutrition and health, excretion, disposal of refuse, sewage, excreta, dead bodies, etc. Reproduction, family welfare services, growth, demography and population dynamics, coordination, customs, habit, tradition, beliefs, cultural practices, etc. So, this is difference between human physiology and social physiology. Social hygiene. Social hygiene refers to the science of prevention and treatment of sexually transmitted infections, previously known as venereal disease, as you read in 2nd BHMS in pathology. Community diagnosis. This consists of identification and qualification of health problem in terms of morbidity and mortality rate, their effects on community. Difference between clinical diagnosis and community diagnosis. Clinical diagnosis made by physician, community diagnosis made by epidemiologist. Clinical diagnosis concerned with individual case, community diagnosis concerned with a definite population. Clinical diagnosis concerned with only sick person, whereas community diagnosis concerned with both sick and healthy people. Clinical diagnosis, doctor examine the patient. In community diagnosis, epidemiologist conduct survey or diagnosis made by the result of survey. In clinical diagnosis, it is arrived at based on sign and symptoms, whereas community diagnosis arrived at based on natural history of disease. Clinical diagnosis, it involves laboratory investigation, whereas community diagnosis involves epidemiological investigations. In clinical diagnosis, doctor decides the treatment, where community diagnosis, epidemiologist decide the plan of action. Clinical diagnosis, treatment is the main aim, and community diagnosis has prevention and promotion is the main aim. In clinical diagnosis, it involves the follow-up of the case, and community diagnosis, it involves the evaluation of program. Clinical diagnosis says doctor is interested in technological advancement, and community diagnosis says epidemiologist is interested in statistical values. So these are the basic difference between clinical diagnosis and community diagnosis. Community orientation. Community-oriented medical education is defined as relevant medical education which takes into consideration in all aspects of its operation the health problem of community in which it is conveyed. Its aim is to produce community-oriented doctors who are both able to and willing to serve their community and deal effectively and efficiently with health problems at every level. So, in community orientation, a relevant medical education which takes into consideration in all aspects of its operation. A doctor who trained in community medicine in postgraduate level for the interest the health problem of community in which it is conveyed. Its aim is to produce community oriented doctors who are both able to and willing to serve their community and deal effectively and efficiently with health problems at every level. Community-based education. Community education is defined as a system of education which carried out outside the teaching hospitals and in the community, whose first and second level health care facilities are available for this purpose, that is urban or rural health care based unit, MCH center, etc. Comprehensive health care. Comprehensive health care refers to the provision of personal and impersonal health services like water supply, communicable disease, vector control, etc. to a community for the prevention of disease, cure of illness, prevent disability and economic insecurity and dependency associated with illness. This is the component of comprehensive health care. Vertical program. A single program of health service for community, for example, expanded program of immunization, like immunization of polio and other diseases. Horizontal program. It is the health service delivery program which covers the two dimensions of health personnel and community health. This is horizontal program which covers the two dimensions of health personnel and community personnel. International organization, World Health Organization, United Nations Children Fund UNICEF, United Nations Fund for Population Activity, United Nations Development Program, the Food and Agriculture Organization, the Swedish International Development Agency for Tuberculosis, International Red Cross, Indian Red Cross, and other governmental, non-government organizations who perform the duty for the betterment of the society in different level in the field of agriculture, health, communication, transportation, and pharma industries. I request to all viewers, if you have any doubt, you consult textbook of Park, that is Preventive and Social Medicine by Park, and other standard textbook. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubt, you give me your doubt in comment section. Thank you.